container like that. So guys, the next pleasant good morning to all my viewers and subscribers. Don't need to boy Finjo. So guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, what we are doing today? Not the cooking or not the hunting. So I have a baby bird. So we see some local youth in my community. They have community. I walk up and down with them. Say now make them kill a bird here. So we take it from them. And so me I raise him as my own pet. You see me? So I'm going to show you the bird right now. I'm showing you how I feed him, how I give him water, and build a nest for that bird. So just stay tuned and watch your gone. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So just stay tuned and watch your gone. So guys, this box you see here, this is what the bird is in. So see him there. You see him? So I'm gonna feed him now. Yeah. I give him some bird feeding. Some bird feeding. Yeah. So I'm gonna take him out of the box. That guy is nice and healthy. So get some feeding for him. See if he can eat off that one. I think he can eat off that one. So guys, showing how I'm going to feed him. I'm going to get something, put the feed the inside off and wet it. So guys, I'll feed him first, then I'll deal with him house. Stay here, so stand up. I'm going to throw some of the feeding inside of some of this container like that. Wet it up. Wet it up just like that. I'm gonna use something like a piece of stick to get it nice and soft. Throw off some of the water. Guys, we're gonna use, I think, call him delicate to the guy. So they're gonna hold. Come on, man. Give yourself. And if we use this. Guys, I give him some water now. So how me I go feed him now? I feed him out of my mouth. So I drink me, I go put some water in my mouth and then feed him through this. Guys, so him calm now. So him calm now. Guys, what I'm gonna use for the nest for the baby bird, I use this what thing I come off again? Use them thing I come off a broom. Put in the box. Nice little bird don't see me, you know. I get it off and put it in the box. So guys, the next thing we are going to use an old book. It's an old book, guys, just like that. We'll cut them. Cut them in strips. That is how you feed and build a cardboard box house for a bird. So if you guys really enjoy the video, feel free leave a subscribe, a like and a comment. And comment a name or a thing for calling. Just comment a name or a thing for calling. Man, see if we really can lure this bird to adulthood. So guys, so I'll put him up, so stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next video.